This will be the finished project for Dave and Carole, their basement. This is the entrance to the basement to go down the steps. As you can see, we've got 14 steps going down. Off to the left you will see a cutout. We removed that wall to put a wood cap in and create a more open atmosphere. So as we walk down to the basement, those double doors there are just a little small storage area for also the water main is in there as well. So as we turn to the left and heading down to the corridor, there's a 4-foot to 5-foot corridor down there. Those double doors on this side here is for storage. And keep on walking. And the first door to the right goes into a shop area. The set of double doors that are right here are for a home theater. And we'll go into that room first and show you what's on there. The white wall there is the actual screen for the projector that he has. Actually, it's a painted wall, and we just painted it so that you wouldn't have to worry about getting a big old screen. And along this wall here is some lighting, speakers and so forth. There's the projector that's going to be mounted in the ceiling. As you can see it coming out of the ceiling. There's a platform. It's a 10 by 12 or 10 by 8 platform, 10 by 6 platform, excuse me. Where they'll have the movie chairs on it and so forth. And this area they're going to use for maybe a popcorn machine or so. And then the other area right next to it is also going to be for a sitting area as well. But as I walk up onto the stage or the platform, you'll be able to see a huge wall that's just all painted white, and the projector works great on that. So it's one idea to save some money instead of buying a big old screen, just be able to paint the wall. It's a special paint that you use to get that effect. Straight across the hall is a 3-piece bathroom. It's got some lights on here. So you got a 36-inch vanity with the mirror and lights. There's also a shower in here that's tiled from the tub all the way to the ceiling. There's an accent wall, a little Estella wall there. There's a D-rod for the curtain rod. Gives you a little extra room in the shower. So Victor Olson did all the tile work. It's a quality job, did very good. There, so there's some niches that we do for soaps and hair shampoo and things like that, razor blades, whatever. So that's the bathroom. Backing out of the bathroom, going into the main area, which is going to be for the grandkids, as well as could be a bedroom later on. So there's closets over here that you could use for a bedroom. There's also a little wet bar that we did. It's got IKEA shelving. There's a backsplash. The doors have not quite been put on yet, but there's going to be a refrigerator that goes right in this little spot right here. And again, there's the cabinetry. So go back over and sit to the countertop and turn directly around. There's kids' toys and so forth getting ready to be played with. That's the back entrance to get into the basement. So we have an egress. It would be for a bedroom later on. Large rooms, like 17 by 30 almost. There's the rest of the doors that go onto the cabinets that they're putting together. So that's with that. So I get a little perspective as to the going back down the hallway. There's the hallway going down to the front steps again where we came down. They did a great job as far as utilizing all the room that they wanted to create usable space. So the theater room is off to the left, the bathroom is off to the right over here. That's the shop, and the storage room down the back. Behind this wall here is storage. We'll go in there and you can see it's unfinished area, but they did a great job. They did they painted the floor. It was with flakes, so it looks great. As you can see, they painted the floor. It looks good. And this will be more for storage, for seasonal things. Go into this a little bit and turn around, and you can see it's also storage underneath the steps. So those are steps going up to the main home. So that's it. One more take on the outside out here. There's the wood cap going up. Open that all up. And that gives you perspective. That's how you come down into the basement from the main floor.